friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lady. I'm trying my old camera today, so let me know how it looks. The lens seems to just be a little bit wider. So today we're gonna do winter outfits. That's it. We're gonna try and keep these outfits more warm. This isn't for like freezing cold yet because that video is to come. We're just like starting winter. It snowed for the first time in Michigan already, but like it's not freezing outside. It was 32 degrees, so it technically is freezing, but you guys know what I mean. So this is just like winter because I want to focus on still like some of the under pieces, not just like jackets and everything. So that's it. Get into the video.
Love you, babe. I'm thinking of you, babe. Oh, baby. Ashanti. Chapter 2. Let's rock. Can you rock for me? Oh, baby. That's for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you. Love you, baby. I'm thinking, over me. Oh, baby. Can you take control for me? I just wanna love you. Next to me, oh baby, when you're kissing me, oh baby, when you're loving me, I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock for me, oh baby? Stop for me, take it to the top for me. I just wanna love you, baby. I'm thinking, baby, over me, oh baby, over me. If I could handle you as just a friend, oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so foreign, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you ride for me? Oh baby, stop for me. Can you take it to the top for me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, know for me. Control for me, I just wanna love you, always thinking of you. to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. I'm searching for love, someone that my heart breathes. I'm searching for when I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run. Until you told me how you felt for me. You said I'm not the one. So I slowly came to see